Hey everybody, today I'm going to be talking about 9-volt batteries from Amazon Basics. In the past, I have pretty much either gone with your well-known brand 9-volt batteries, or any batteries for that reason, all the way down to going to the dollar store and picking up some of those dollar store batteries. And one of the things that I was attracted to about this was that it has a 3-year shelf life. Got a 3-year shelf life, which means you can just leave it sitting in your emergency flashlights or walkie-talkies, whatever you're going to be using, and you don't have to worry about it for 3 years. It's still going to work when you go out and you pick it up. So it comes in this nice little package like this. I've never seen batteries come this way, but I can dig it. It's got your instruction manual. It's mostly in other foreign languages, but it's basically telling you the do's and don'ts of batteries. And the biggest one is do not try to recharge this guy here. So it actually looks kind of cool. I'm not sure if you're into how your batteries look rather than how they work, but I had gotten a couple of these before from somebody else, and I decided to go with Amazon Basics this time. So I'm going with these because it works in all of my walkie-talkies, it works in my lights, it works in my recording gear, and I have never had any duds with these. So I decided to go ahead and buy a whole entire box of these here. And there you go, just typical 9-volt action. Each one is individually wrapped in plastic, so it helps protect from elements from a spill. If you have it in your drawer, there's not going to be any chance for moisture getting in there at all. It's a pack of 8 9-volt batteries. I love that 3-year shelf life, especially you can store it for emergencies, or you can pop it in right now. It works perfect. If you live in a hot state, I wouldn't leave it in your car, because they, like all batteries, they'll just expand and it won't work anymore. They say they can explode, never seen one explode, but I'm not going to try it. It works with a variety of different devices, including digital cameras, game controllers, toys, clocks, all things electronics really. So you're talking about all of your electronics that take the 9-volt battery. A lot of electronics take like a AAA or AA, and the ones that take the 9-volt normally are your higher end that you need to go ahead and put in there. And 8 of these in one box. Their 3-year life should last a complete time. I mean, you don't have anything to worry about. And then the way it's packaged, it's a nice little way to store it yourself. So you can just leave it in this box. You can put it inside of your, where you keep your batteries, or where you keep your junk drawer, I guess you could say, because we all have one of those. And if it's good enough to ship, it's good enough to store. That's the way I see it. And then it says 9-volt right here on the thing, so you know what it is. Or you can just take a big Sharpie and write 9-volt right there. That way you always know what it is, and it can go right into your drawer. It can go right everywhere you need to be, instead of everything being out and just all over the place. So you don't want that. It's got versatile power for your household items. You can use them for pretty much anything, especially flashlights and radios. That's my go-to, because those are your emergency ones to keep your family and yourself safe. And if you're into playing all of the video games, a lot of those video games take these guys here, so you can just pop them right in. And you know, having an independent source of power is important, especially with earthquakes or blackouts or anything like that. Amazon Basics alkaline batteries, having these guys on hand, it's like 100% useful. So it's not gonna just sit, and you'll get a use out of these within 3 years. So I have about, I don't know, probably 6 devices, and it came with 8. So it has a 3-year shelf life. So probably have to buy another box within a year or so, maybe. That's what I'm thinking. So anyway, there you have it. The shipping weight was like nothing. It's like under 13 ounces. So that goes back into this. I mean, I am going to keep this box just for storage purposes because, man, what an easy way to store your batteries and keep them out from everything else. So there you have it. Amazon Basics 9-volt batteries. And it's 9-volt everyday alkaline batteries. So get 8 of them. You're good to go. I give this a huge thumbs up. So there you go. Y'all have a nice one. Enjoy the rest of your day.